Welcome to the Designer's Courtyard, where you will find beautiful options in Ajrak quad sets in different styles and patterns. You will also find travel wear and chic footwear and jewelry options to top it all. They also have wedding and festive collection in different styles and pieces. Everything can be customized according to your choices and preference. They also have something for festive, everyday routine wear. Also chikankari for men as well as for women, and jewelry to top it off. So this is brand Karkhana, and they are here with their lovely festive, you can use them for wedding also. Lovely options in color blocking, something like this if you want pura Banarsi brocade look mein, if you want something that's quite trending. See, very different this, similar color but different designs with contrast pant options. Then they also have some of their best sellers here that they've restocked. They also have some casual chic wear, so you can wear or carry those for your holidays. Just look at that, very pretty, beautiful. Just look at the work done on it. Done. They also have lovely options in jewelry, so if you are a fan of these different unique looking pieces, you can definitely check them out. This is brand Karkhana. This is brand Era Ethnic Couture. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, so they have brought lovely chikankari Banarasi set options. ये पूरा unstitched piece है that you can get.
Pure tussar silk.
Pure tussar silk पे है. So for all
Pure
the brides,
organza.
pure organza पे, lovely.
Pure tissue.
Tissue, very pretty. Just look at that.
This is pure desi tussar.
Desi tussar. Look at the options they have. This is
Pure
perfect.
munga silk.
Lovely raw silk. They also have options in saris. They have saris in pure tussar. Lovely.
Pure munga silk.
Munga silk options
In munga silk.
in munga silk. Very za. And along with that, they have men's wear
Men's
too.
collection. Munga silk.
Very,
Pure chanderi silk.
very smart.
We have men's jacket also. In
Okay.
Hi, so I'm from Kia by Avni, and we've got today the occasion wear and travel edit.
All right. So something that ma'am herself is wearing. It's a very cool chic quad set that you can pair with jewelry like ma'am is doing. It looks very, very cool, and they have more options in that. Look at that. If you want something in shirt style, they have options there too. If you want something in shibori with ombre, then they have those options here as well. उसके साथ साथ थोड़े semi festive occasion wear. Look at that. So lovely options here. If you want something, in थोड़ा सा floral design के साथ 3-piece suit set options भी है, वो भी ombre में available है. So yes, do check them out. Something like this also. Lovely. ये पूरा थोड़ा सा wedding collection if you want. We have those options here too. And then in this tissue with Marodi work. Hello, so this is brand Navya India, and they have come up with beautiful wedding, chuzo as well as festive. So this, as you can see, it's a beautiful tulip skirt style, and उसके ऊपर they have this short kurti that is quite trending. बहुत अच्छा लगता है weddings के लिए especially. उसके साथ साथ they have come up with their beautiful collection. Just look at the work, पूरा अनारकली style में है. उसमें you will get lots of color options here. You will get something like this in baby pink option. Look at the work detailing done. All right. उसके साथ साथ lovely bright red. This is a beautiful red option. Something in Angarkha style. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? With dupatta. See. They also have some casual chic collection. So if you like that also, तो आप वो भी ले सकते हैं. Look at that. This is brand Miswa, and they have beautiful options of wedding as well as travel wear jewelry. They also have beautiful options in minimal if you want something. They also have statement earring options. Look at that. If you like these type of raisin for your destination wedding, something like this. If you want statement pieces, they have all those options here. Just look at that. Very different. I love this also. This is very pretty. So lots of options here. Just look at that. They also have these very trending Kara options. If you want something in steak design, they have those too. If you want something like this, pura statement, those options are also available. So this is brand Cotton Cuts, and they have beautiful Ajrak quad set options. You can carry them for brunch, for lunch, for festive also. Look at that. They have so many options in colors, patterns. If you want short, they have short. If you want in length, they have that also. Just look at that. Beautiful. They also have some ombre pieces. Look at that. These you can wear for bed hugs, sangeet, or any of the occasions. They also have their cowl neck one pieces ke options. Lovely. And then they have these quad set options in gaji in various styles. They also have these type of gaji silk and in bandhej quad set options also in ombre also. So you can check those out also. They have lovely color options.
Hi, I'm Yama from Soul Bay by Yama in Darshini. So we are here with this all wedding collection.
Okay. So beautiful wedding collection with block heels. You will find some kitten heel option as well and flat options as well. Lovely options. So I'll show you. For example, these have block heels, and if you want the same color, the same design, but in thoda sa kam heel, they have options there too. Like I told you, colors and the size can be customized.
So these are flats.
These are complete flat options. Look at that.
We have this also. We have this also.
Yes, the OG Kolhapuri style, lovely. If you want something in black, they have options there also. If you want thoda zyada platform heel style mein, they have those options too. Like I told you, they have all the options available in sizes, in colors. I also like this one. Look at that. Very smart. So yes, this was brand Soul Bay